Many of my viewers and subscribers have requested me to make a smoke effect animation slide in PowerPoint. So with their request, I have just made one slide, and this is how the slide looks. When I click, you can see here the text comes. I have put the text as a welcome, and I have just created one more slide with a different font size, and you can see here the font comes slowly along with the smoke. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. To make this slide, you need one video which I have downloaded from the internet. You can see here the smoke effect, and I've just taken the screenshot of this. You can see here I've just taken the screenshot and I have just saved as a PNG file, and I'm just going to use this as my text background. So let's start the tutorial. Add a blank slide and insert the video. To insert the video, go to Insert, select Video and say Video on my PC, and go to the path where you have stored the video and select the video. Click on Insert. You can see here the video has been inserted to the whole slide. Then go to the playback options here and start. Click on Automatically. So when I say slideshow, the video will start automatically, as you can see here. The next step is to add the text. To add the text, go to Insert, Text Box, and draw a text box and type it the text. For example, I'm just going to type welcome, and I'm going to change the type the font of the color to be yellow for the time being, and then I'm going to select the font called Impact, and the size I'm going to make it 60, and here the character spacing I'm going to make it very loose, so you can see here, and place the text on the path of the smoke. For example, you can see here, so this looks good actually. For example, if you place it somewhere here, and then what happens here is the smoke goes from the below and the text appears on the top, so it will not look good in the video, so we need to avoid doing that one. Then I'm just going to rename this one the text name. For that, go to Home, select Selection pane, and I'm just going to select as a welcome text. Now I'm going to make the text or the characters separately. For that, select the text, press Ctrl D to duplicate it, bring it down, and I'm just going to keep it W only. Delete rest of that one and press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and you can just say E, Ctrl D, and I'm just saying L, C, O, M, and E. So you can see here welcome. So this one is W. I'm just going to change the text, rename it to W, and then this will be E, this is L, this is M, sorry, this is C, O, M, and E. Why am I changing this one? Because it will help me to do the animation. Now I'm just going to select the individual characters. I can just go and select by holding the Control key. You can see here I have selected all, and then as I have explained before that I'm just going to add the image which I have copied it, the smoke effect. For that, go to Format, then you can just say Text Fill and say Picture, and select the picture where you have stored the file. So from File, I'm just going to select the image which I have created, smoke one, and just say Insert. So you can see here the smoke effect got inserted in all the characters. Then it's time to place the characters on top of each one. So just zoom it and then place it properly. Just place one by one. It doesn't matter if it goes here and there because the text, the yellow text, I'm just going to remove it. So I'm just going to put the C now here. O. And just put the M on top of the yellow M and then E. Alright, now we have put the text on top of the yellow one, and I'm just going to deselect this welcome text. I'll just go and uncheck this one. Now it's time to do the animation on this welcome part. Now to add the animations, let me just zoom out a little bit. This I don't need. Then go to insert, not insert, sorry, go to animations. Select all the text which is welcome and then enable the animation pane. I'm just going to add animation and just give the fade effect. So you can see here the fade effect. So it has got all the fade effects starting with on click, then all with previous. So let's start playing with this text now. Now I'm going to select all this animation of welcome and then duration. Let me just make 4. Actually it should be 0.4. You can see this one, and this one should start, I will just say, with previous also, and this should start maybe at 1.3. So if I play the video, so the W is coming there. If it is not coming properly, then we can adjust this one. So this is like 1.3. I'm just going to make this as 1.5 to 0.22 second duration. I'm giving the difference there. So this is 1.5, then this will be 1.7, this will be 1.9, this will be 2.1, this will be 2.3, and this will be 2.5. So let's see how it looks in the slideshow. So you can see here it comes out very well. Let me just play. So this is a simple way you can do the smoke animation. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.